In this video, I want to show you how to change default font size in Excel. So as we can see, this default font size is different than you commonly are looking. So if you want to change default font size in Excel, so click on File, then More, then Options, then click on Ease of Access, Document Display Options. So underneath Document Display Options, you will see Font Size. Here is the 18. You can select and you can change as your requirement. Like if you're facing some problem to see small letters, so make big size, then OK. To see the effect, you need to close and restart Microsoft Excel. So firstly, close Microsoft Excel and reopen Excel. So now as we can see now, Excel default font size is changed. So hopefully friends, you like this video. By this super easy method, we can know how to change default font size in Excel. Thanks for watching.